Have you all heard of the kit undergarments? It's all over my Instagram. Marissa, please explain.
It's all over mine as well because I follow every stylist in Hollywood, but two celebrity stylists, Jamie Mizrahi and Simone Harouche, who together style some of the very biggest names in Hollywood, have come out with their own line of undergarments. It seems like people are coming out with new lines of underwear every single day, but I feel like now's the time that we need them.
We need them.
We need them, and the Victoria's Secrets of the world are kind of falling away to these more practical brands. So as stylists, all they do is fill their kit, which is the bag that a stylist brings to set with all of the necessary things to style a celebrity or a client, which includes undergarments. And they have created really comfortable, beautiful, practical pieces. But the best thing I love about this is the campaign that they've been using on Instagram to promote it is they've been using all of their celebrity clients and friends to take underwear selfies.
Oh, I love
Which has been so much fun. So here are some of the ones we have seen. So Miley Cyrus and Ashley Benson, two of Simone's clients. Simone, by the way, styles Miley Cyrus, Kourtney and Khloe Kardashian, Kendall and Kylie Jenner, J-Lo, so many people.
Right.
So I feel like we're gonna keep seeing these selfies pop up week after week. One of Jamie's clients and friends, Kate Hudson, also posted, looking super cute.
What I love about these bras too,
and Katy Perry.
They just look so natural. They almost look like a bathing suit.
They look
you could wear it
comfortable.
100%. And I feel like obviously right now comfort is key. And as you mentioned, you know, trends, especially when it comes to undergarments, are changing, and people are more conscious of things like underwires and how they affect you and whatnot. So I feel like people are going and they prefer more natural. And
That's
just
right.
like
I totally
the looser
agree.
the better, the sheer the better, kind of like lace, you know what I mean? Like very thin.
Right.
Yeah.
It's more about
Comfort.
being practical under your clothes and less about being sexy.
Right.
But it's not that these pieces aren't sexy.
Because they
everyone
are,
looks so
yeah.
sexy in them, but it's not. It's more about the practicality of it and feeling good for yourself. All right, let's also see some more women who are posting. Designer Diane von Furstenberg posted there on the left, and their other celebrity stylist friend, Carla Welch, she posted one of herself as well. And I just saw actually Kourtney posted like a minute ago.
Really?
I think we're gonna keep seeing these dropped
And this is
day
because,
after day.
honestly,
And
people love the product. It's not necessarily just like a marketing campaign.
No, and they love Jamie and Simone.
ad. They love the stylist behind this, and they love what this product stands for.
Well, I'm dying to try it. The more I keep seeing it, the more I want to try it. Mindy Kaling here is wearing this bodysuit that's meant to be a top or an underpinning. And so underpinnings are something stylists use all the time. An underpinning is like a camisole or a piece that you're gonna see a little bit, but that you also need underneath your clothes. So I've started wearing more bodysuits, and I feel like they're not going away. I really want a long sleeve version, so maybe I'll try this one.
They have become a necessity.
Yes.
A necessity. All of these garments that we're seeing.
Yep.
All of them are necessities.
We need them. We want them. Please send us some stuff.
Wow. There you go.
Right? Just shameless plug. We want to try our stuff. Okay. One other thing that I'm dying to see, and they posted this on their Instagram, is they posted a boob tape tutorial. So
I've always wondered how to use this.
right? So now they don't have this boob tape on their site, but I'm hoping that they drop this as another product because this is something that stylists do all the time.
All the time.
When you wear a dress that is completely backless or it's gonna show everything, but you want to look good and supported, but you can't really wear a bra.
If you ever wonder how all these celebrities hit the red carpets and there are not as many malfunctions as you think,
Probably some straight up tape.
This is hands down one of the secrets behind all of those plunging necklines
and backless dresses.
The high slits. Things are taped into place, you guys.
We first heard about boob tape from, you know, none other than Kim Kardashian, but this was back in 2016 when she posted this photo and said this was her secret trick, just using plain tape. And this looks like masking tape, guys. This doesn't even look comfortable. So here's hoping that someone markets this and it's an actual product.
I'm sorry, my mind is just blown right now. I just keep thinking of like a Band-Aid ripping off your skin and how painful that is.
Right?
And I just see Kim Okay, never mind. You know what?
The things we do.
Oh, the things that we do for beauty.